according to a 2023 survey conducted in the United States, teenagers spent an average of about 5 hours on social media every day. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that caregivers develop a family media use plan that considers each child's needs as well as the family's overall needs. The idea here is to help your child build healthy habits when it comes to technology use. So some recommendations in general can include to really limit screen time, recreational screen time use to no more than 2 hours per weekday. In addition, we should be focusing on making time for other important activities. So the American Academy of Pediatrics also recommends 1 to 2 hours of physical activity, a full night's sleep, because obviously that's very imperative, meals as a family, and screen-free relaxation time. We oftentimes think about 2 primary areas of mental health, but there are a myriad of challenges that youth can face. But depression and anxiety tend to be very common. We know that this can be a very challenging time. There are many stressors out there, and we all want the best for our children. So I appreciate you taking the time to learn a little bit more about social media use and best ways to help support your child, as well as where you may continue to find supports when they may need a little bit more of it.